public Wi-Fi networks. Social media security. Social media platforms are a popular target for cyber criminals, who use them to spread malware, phishing scams, and other cyber threats. Social media security risks include fake profiles, social engineering attacks, and unauthorized access to personal information. Prevention strategies for social media security include using strong and unique passwords, avoiding suspicious links and messages, and adjusting privacy settings to limit access to personal information. Cloud security. The use of cloud computing has become increasingly popular, but it also poses security risks. Cloud security risks include data breaches, unauthorized access, and loss of data due to system failures or natural disasters. Prevention strategies for cloud security include using strong passwords and encryption, implementing access controls, and regularly backing up data to a secure location. Internet of Things, IoT, security. The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to the network of connected devices, such as smart home appliances and wearable technology. IoT security risks include data breaches, unauthorized access, and malware attacks. Prevention strategies for IoT security include using strong passwords and encryption, implementing access controls, and regularly updating software and firmware. Cybersecurity regulations and standards. Governments and organizations have established regulations and standards for cybersecurity to protect against cyber threats. Some of the most important regulations and standards include the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR), the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard (CDSS), and the National Institute of Standards and Technology (NIST) Cybersecurity Framework. Compliance with these regulations and standards can help to ensure that information is protected against cyber threats. Cybersecurity culture. Finally, creating a cybersecurity culture is essential for preventing cyber threats and attacks. This involves a commitment to information security at all levels of an organization, from employees to executives. A cybersecurity culture includes regular training and awareness programs, clear policies and procedures, and a commitment to continuous improvement and proactive risk management. Supply chain security. Supply chain security refers to the protection of goods and materials as they move through the supply chain, from raw materials to the finished product. Supply chain security risks include theft, counterfeiting, and cyber attacks. Prevention strategies for supply chain security include implementing access controls, conducting background checks on suppliers and vendors, and using secure transport methods. Incident response. Despite preventative measures, cyber attacks and other security incidents can still occur. Incident response plans are essential to minimize the damage and recover from the incident. An incident response plan should include clear procedures for identifying and containing the incident, notifying appropriate parties, and restoring systems and data. Third-party security.